and became part of the temple because its aim was to attain spiritual identification with the eternal. Bharatanatyam, it is said, is the embodiment of music in visual form, a complete theater form involving the body, mind, and spirit, conceptualized to be an easy communion between humans and gods. It is an incomparable theatrical technique that has gone through thousands of years of evolution. The next item in tonight's repertoire is Vrindavani Venu in the Marathi language. Penned with imaginative eloquence by composer Banu Dasa, the poet describes the all-pervasive magnificence of divine melody emanating from Krishna's flute. The poet says, "Everyone is enthralled by that magical sound. The peacocks, inspired by the music, dance along with Krishna. Even the Govardhan mountain moves as if mesmerized by the vibrations from the flute. So profound is his music that the cows forget their hunger. The tiger that has been stalking the cows forgets and sits peacefully. And birds forget to chirp. All enmity is forgotten, and the whole world is in harmony, tranquil in the meditative lure of Krishna's flute." Aishwarya Rao will present Vrindavani in Raga Mishra Bimplas, set to Teen Tal.
वृंदावनी वेणु वृंदावनी वेणु वादे 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 वृंदावनी वेणु वेणु कवना समयी वादे वेणु कवना समयी वादे वेणु कवना समयी वादे वेणु कवना समयी वादे वेणुनादे गोवर्धन गाजे वेणुनादे गोवर्धन गाजे वृंदावनी वेणु वादे वृंदावनी वेणु पसरुनि मयूर विराजे, कुछ पसरुनि मयूर विराजे। कुछ पसरुनि मयूर विराजे, कुछ पसरुनि मयूर विराजे, कुछ पसरुनि मयूर विराजे, कुछ पसरुनि मयूर विराजे। मध पावत नाचत यादव राजे, मध पावत नाचत यादव राजे। वृंदावनी वेणु वादे, वृंदावनी वेणु। तृणधारा चरु विसरणी, तृणधारा चरु विसरणी, तृणधारा चरु विसरणी। गाय व्याघ्र एकठै जाणी, गाय व्याघ्र एकठै जाणी। पक्षी कुळे निवांता साहिली, पक्षी कुळे निवांता साहिली। वरभाव समूल विसरणी, वरभाव समूल विसरणी। वृंदावनी वेणु वादे, वृंदावनी वेणु। ध्वनि मंजुळ मंजुळ उमटती वाजे ऋण झुण ऋण झुण वाजती। ध्वनि मंजुळ मंजुळ उमटती वाजे ऋण झुण ऋण झुण वाजती। देव भीमानी बैसूनी स्तुती गाती, देव भीमानी बैसूनी स्तुती गाती। भानुदास ठावणी विठ्ठल विठ्ठला